Yo, what's up everybody, brand new in here. In this video I'll be going over how to design a high converting store. So the benchmark for conversion rates is at 1.75%. This is a study done by lowdata.io, and if you're more than 2.8%, you are doing pretty good. So for our store, using no PayPal, by the way, from April 3rd to April 8th, which was when we had the PayPal hold, so we're just using purely Stripe. We pulled off a 4.2% conversion rate, so that's insanely good. And before that, we're doing almost a 8% conversion rate with PayPal, so almost double our revenue. So how did we do that? Super simple. We're just using a Debut theme. Just keep it simple, nothing cluttered on the website. So because if you have too much things going on, it could confuse the customers and it could lower page load speed, which is really bad. So that's why we also use Vitals. And I'm not affiliated or anything with it, but this app is just great because everything loads super fast and it's just super functional as well. Right, so these are the three things that I use inside of Vitals: ticket, add to cart, animated add to cart, and currency converter. Feel free to pause the video or slow it down and follow through. So for the ticket, add to cart, this is what we do. We only show it on mobile devices since that's where most of our customers are coming from. Then for animate add to cart, bounce 7-second interval, super simple. And for currency converter, I like to hide it and just have it automatically convert. So feel free to slow down the video or pause the video and follow along. So here's a GT metrics page load test of this. So really, actually extremely good, except for the severe scaled images, which was from the reveals portion of Vitals, but that's okay because I optimized the photos before importing them. So feel free to pause the video right here to read why page load speed is important for conversion rate. But other than that, once you have the Debut installed, we'll be going down to the home page and I'll be guiding you through how to do it or how to design the home page. So here is the home page and what it'll look like with the black and white image. So it looks super good. It looks really branded. This is how I like to lay it out. So image with text overlay, feel free to copy it. And another one right here, feel free to copy the pause the video and copy it. And I like to have testimonials and then featured collections after. It's insanely simple and it looks super beautiful. So that's pretty much it for the home page. So after we're finished with the home page, we're going to be going down to theme settings and we're going to go to typography. And this is what I like to set it to make it look, pretty. So I do work size, extra bold, heading size 26 to 30, whatever you're feeling, right? Then body text, pop-ins. Shout out to Booster theme. I love pop-ins. It's just really smooth and easy on the eyes. So after you're done that, we're going to be working on the product page. So head over to your theme settings in the back end of your store and edit code. So then we're going to search up product dash template and we're going to click on the highlighted whatever's highlighted in the video right now. So then we're going to search up this code, which I'll have in the description, and then we're going to look and then we're going to paste the free worldwide shipping code and 30-day money back code, which I also have in the description under the /div. Just paste it exactly like this. So then your product page will kind of look like this under the price tag. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to search this code also in the description and we're going to paste this. So this is going to be a guaranteed secure checkout type of thing, and I'll show you guys how to find a link for that. So you want to go to your settings, files, you want to upload whatever trust badge you want to do, then just copy and paste that link into the code back over here. So now your page is going to look like this. The only thing missing now is we're going to enlarge our add to cart or add to bag button just so it stands out more. So we're going to go back to our edit code. We're going to search up theme. We're going to click theme.scss.liquid. We're going to search this up. So once you find that, we want to increase the minimum height. It should be 44 pixels by default. So we're going to increase that 70 or whatever you guys prefer, And then now, one last thing. we're gonna go back to theme settings and we're gonna edit the product page. So this is what I like to set it to, so feel free to copy that. Now after you finish that, we're gonna be going down to the cart page. I apologize if I'm going really fast, like this is like super simple. So yeah, feel free to pause the video or go back and just rewatch everything. So for the cart page, we're gonna be going to edit code again, and we'll be searching up cart-template.liquid, and we're gonna be removing this code right here that I highlighted. It should be near the top, line 6 to 8, because we want to remove this just because we don't want customers to be pressing around everywhere, right? We just want to push them towards checking out. So the next thing you want to do is you want to search this up also in the description, and this is just to give some incentive, right? So we want to paste this code here, which I also have in the description. You have claimed the lowest price possible. Buyers are protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. It builds trust and it gives them incentive because it's telling them they've claimed the lowest price possible, right? So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Sorry if I went super fast. I'll try to go slower next time in the next video. Just let me know if you guys would like longer videos or short videos like this. And if I missed out some information, feel free to ask me the question in the comments and I'll answer them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video.